Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Docker onto your Mac. So for that, just go to your favorite browser and search for Docker and just go to this first link from www.docker.com, and here you can see the option for product. So just click here and you will be able to see this Docker desktop. So just click on that. And so if you are downloading for the older version of Mac, so just go with the Intel. But if you are downloading for MacBook M1 or M2, so just click on this Apple chip. So just click on there. So this should download the DMG file for installing the Docker. So once this DMG file is downloaded, let me just go into the Finder, and if I just double click onto this DMG file, so this should open the installer. So you can see the installer here. So just drag and drop this Docker into the applications. So this is copying the Docker into the applications. So once this is done, let me just close everything from here. So we don't need this as well. And if I just open the Spotlight search and search for terminal, and now if I just type Docker version, so you can see, so this is showing the Docker command not found because so we haven't started the Docker yet. So to do that, so we can just go into the Launchpad and just click onto this Docker. So this should now open the Docker desktop. So just click on open, and we just need to accept the license agreement. So just click on accept and just click on finish. So just enter the password of your Mac. So let me just click on skip for now. So this is starting the Docker engine. So once this is done, so let me again go to the terminal, and if I just type the same command again, so you can see, so this is showing all the versions. So you can see the 24 version of the Docker is installed properly. And similarly, to check the engine and all kind of things, so we can just type Docker info, and this will show other additional information you want. So this is how you install the Docker. So now let me just try to run the Docker image. So let me just quickly go into the browser again, and let me just search for Docker Hub. So this is basically a container image library. So just go into this hub.docker.com. So let me just clear this notification from here as well. And if you just scroll down and just click onto this see all Docker official images, so here let me just search for hello world and just click here. So this is the official image of Docker, and let me just click on this command docker pull and open the terminal, and let me just paste inside here. And if I just click on enter, so this should now pull this hello world from the Docker Hub. Before that, let me just type docker images to see the images. So here you can see hello world. So to run this Docker image, so we can just type docker run and just type hello -world and just click enter. So you can see hello from the Docker. So this is the expected output. So if you just scroll down here, so you can see the output should be something like hello from the Docker. So it is showing the same thing in the terminal as well. So this is how you basically install the Docker onto your Mac. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.